Small aircraft crashed in Elim, St. Elizabeth. The police theorized suspicious activities might have been involved. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A probe into the circumstances surrounding the discovery of a burnt-out plane in Elim, St. Elizabeth now includes the theory that the aircraft might have been involved in suspicious activities. A reliable source informed reporters that the suspicion is based on preliminary investigations, which suggest that the plane might have landed and experienced difficulty taking off on Friday night. The source also mentioned that they believe that cargo was removed from the plane and then it was possibly set ablaze.
Yes. I would have guessed, probably guessed them up so. Alright, so this is the result of the plane. Alright. Yeah, this is the result of a plane that crashed in Brazover.
It is believed that a road near to a swamp was used as a runway for the aircraft. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come in our subsequent newscasts. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.